What's going on, you guys? Raymond with Touchstone Mobile Pressure Washing Detail, and today we're gonna do an unboxing. Just got it in today. It's my Raincovo Snow Pro foam cannon, and I actually have maybe the first generation of the foam cannon. So here's my other Raincovo foam cannon. This thing works great. I love it. I use it every day. The only thing that's wrong with it is right here. I don't know if you can. There we go. The lid's cracked. Yeah, as you can see it right there where it's cracked at. But still works great. And I also have the famous MJJC. This is the V3, I think, something like that. I forget, but it's not the latest one. It's the second latest one. But anyways, I got this one, and you see it's melted actually. Funny story with that. I was actually trying to clean out my the mesh filter in there. I cleaned it out, and then I got done. I actually put boiling water inside the foam cannon, and I just saw it shrinking. I was like, oh crap. But yeah, you don't put scalding hot water inside your foam cannon, you'll melt it. But let's go ahead and unbox this, open it up. Still has the tape on there. All right, so just open it up. I haven't, I just ripped it right there, but open it. Boom, what? Instruction manual. Really ain't gonna need that, but we'll open it, look at it. Oh no, don't need it. So this one here, it does have the like the straw-like type straw or siphon tube right here, and it is flexible. That's what I'm trying to say. The flexible siphon tube comes with some thread tape, the filter, and then that's the 1.1 orifice. Not sure what's inside of this one here. Now this one here though, so it's got the regular mouth right here, then it also can screw onto a regular bottle. We'll show you that here in a minute. And here comes the foam cannon. It feels pretty good, and it's got the measurements right here. It goes all the way to 1,000. Focus. Right there to 1,000 milliliters. Yeah, looks pretty good. Feels durable. I actually found out about this foam cannon a few months ago with Cars with Keeve on YouTube. Shout out to him. And I think when he was talking about it, it was he paid $20 or $25. But when I clicked the link after I saw the video, it was like $32. And that's what it was when I just bought it, $32, $35 with tax. All right, so with the take this off. So with this in here, I don't know if y'all can see it. So see this right here? This means you can also put on the smaller stuff. This is the main cap right here. That's what would go onto here. And this other tube right here should fit. Yeah. Oops. So there you go. Now you can also, if you wanted to foam it out of that, you could do that also. So that's pretty cool. Will I do it this way? Highly doubtful, but it is an option. So what it's really meant for is like these kind of bottles, these little 16-ounce bottles. So this one here is a wheel cleaner, but here's an iron remover wheel cleaner. But that's what it's meant to do, go on these types. And usually these kind of got like the soap in it, like we buy them 16-ounce bottles of soap. It goes with those, but like I said, I'm not going to be doing that. It's been strictly in the foam cannon, but it is an option. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Be blessed. Like, share, and subscribe.